The Hong Kong Spanish Speech and Culture Festival is a non-profit organization and collaborative platform of both local and international school Spanish teachers across Hong Kong. Their aim is to celebrate and promote various activities and events related to the many aspects of Hispanic culture. Since 2013, they have been organizing the Hispanic Culture Festival at selected school venues on a yearly basis in spring. Each event features student representatives of both local and international schools where they perform pieces of Spanish language and culture-related arts, including music, poetry, dance, drama, comedy, and much more. This annual event has now become one of the most exciting Hispanic-themed events in Hong Kong. This year, the Hispanic Culture Festival was hosted by the International College Hong Kong on Saturday the 23rd of March. Our S1 to S4 students proudly represented our school through a theatrical performance entitled La Hora del Español. It was a tremendous show with a wide variety of performances rolled into one piece. A big congratulations to our student performers, as well as to our Spanish teachers, Ms Vanessa, Ms Mariona and Señor Arriaga for their passion, their tireless teaching, and their coaching of our wonderful kids. Thank you. As a festival tradition, guests had the opportunity to sample and purchase a range of food and academic products from vendors. In addition to that, we had the privilege of Frankie and Fun For You Productions as he led the intermission salsa workshop with everyone in the hall. The event concluded with the delicious Hispanic food fair comprising of many treats from various different countries. Thanks again to the Hong Kong Spanish Speech and Culture Festival for another wonderful event. Muchas gracias.